hold on 1 second. Don't click anywhere. Do you like free things? I like free things. So I want to tell you about the giveaway that we're doing on Dad Bod Season 610 channel. What we are doing is we are giving away one free t-shirt like so, and a sweatshirt like so. Now, all you have to do to enter to get one of these awesome t-shirt, awesome sweatshirt of your design of your choosing. You pick for it, I'll send it out. Whatever one you want. A sweatshirt, t-shirt. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel. That's all you have to do. That's all you have to do. Just click subscribe. No catches, nothing. It's absolutely free for you. Absolutely free. All you have to do is click subscribe. Now, this contest or giveaway will end on Armed Forces Day. So, in case you don't know when that is, May 16th, Armed Forces Day. Go Army. But, with that being said, just subscribe. Just click that little button. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Make sure, and you're entered. That's all you have to do. Tell your friends, tell everyone that you want to know, or that you think should hop on this and get a free t-shirt and sweatshirt. We all know summer's coming around eventually. Why not have a nice t-shirt to rock at the track? Nice Turbo Time t-shirt. Or, guess what? Sometimes the track gets cold at night. So you need a sweatshirt. So boom, you got both right there. And right now it's raining out, so I really need a sweatshirt. So make sure you click subscribe. Enter yourself in the free giveaway of a t-shirt and sweatshirt from Dad Bod Season 610. I will drop the link in the description of the store so you can click on it, check out the designs, and figure out which one you want for when you win just by clicking subscribe. And I will pick one lucky winner from everyone that subscribes. It will be random. I'll have it all random generated. Click it. All you gotta do for a chance to win is subscribe. Free, simple, easy. How about you do that right now? And good morning, everybody. Dad Bod Season here. Welcome back to the golf cart build. Last night, I know we ended off by not doing that front part. And then, you know, we got a little frustrated. We're like, you know, let's just go finish it. So, down there it is. It's all finished up. And we are ready to rock. So, now we're just gonna start putting pieces on, and she's gonna go through and double check and make sure the wrap looks good everywhere. And I'm gonna start putting everything back together, and we'll see what it looks like in the end. All right, first I'm gonna go ahead and start tightening all these back on so we can get this mounted back on. I'm gonna start with the front end, so everything up front I'm doing first, and then we'll work our way back. So, got your washer, got your 10mm nut, and just it goes all the way around. So, all right, knock that out real quick. So we're gonna try to put the basket on. So we got this thing in, the base in, put the hitch back on. You can see right here. Right there. So now we're moving around. We had to put the trim pieces back in right here. So we can slide the basket right back on in there. And fasten them up right in there. So now we went ahead, put the headlights in. Get that all, it's all buttoned up. We'll move on back here. Put the tail lights in. Next we're putting that piece back up in there. All right, so we got this front part put on and the roof put on. Now step back and show what it looks like. We're gonna stop, take a quick lunch, but yeah, this is where we're at right now. Looks pretty good to me. I don't know. We still gotta clean up a little bit of stuff. But once we get the seats backing on, get front bumper on down here, and she's almost ready to go. I have a little tear in my eye. So today we learned a valuable lesson. Make sure you label where all your bolts and baggy up everything that you use. Because I could have swore I did. I swear I did. Yeah, I'm still missing 4 bolts for the golf cart to hold the seats on. So it's not a big deal, right? Just a seat, whatever. So now I am on my way out to go buy 4 new ones. Because I guess I'm an idiot and I forgot where I put them, or they got moved, or I didn't bag them, or I don't know. I don't know what happened. I've been looking for them all morning. I was like, well, you know what? Let me just put the rest of it together, and eventually I'll find them. Yep. The rest of the golf cart's back together. Headlights, everything like that's on. And still missing 4 bolts for the back seats. And once those are done, once I get those and put them on, golf cart is donezo. Well, for now at least. It's done and going to be ready to be given to my dad, which will most likely be the next video here, because it's supposed to rain for the next couple of days, and I don't want, he wants to be able to keep it like nice looking and wants to have it under something. Doesn't have any room in the garage or the shed or anything like that. All that stuff is, he's using all that space. So he ordered a golf cart cover for it, and I'm waiting for that to come in. And once he gets that in, we'll take it to him. Now he doesn't know, like that we made it all nice and everything. He just wants a golf cart cover to put on it to keep it nice. So when he got it, it was already under covers, and then now he didn't have it. He didn't have a golf cart cover for it, and since it's been at my house, he's like, well, I should probably cover it up because I want to keep it, in good condition. Don't want it to rust out, stuff like that. So little does he know that he's getting a golf cart cover for something that is going to be completely different. It's awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole build. If you guys haven't seen the earlier videos of the golf cart build, I'll drop a link up here. Click on that, and I'll drop it for the whole playlist. It has all these on there, so you can just click on them and go through them. But yeah, so you can just see that whole progression, and I'm extremely, extremely excited to give this back to him. I know he's gonna like it, but I'm still nervous, because it's a surprise. Whenever you surprise someone with something, you still get nervous. You don't know how they're exactly gonna react. I mean, who knows? Maybe he's like, I hate it. I'm done. I don't want this. Blah blah blah. That would be awful. But if he says that, then I'll probably just keep it and I'll get him a different golf cart. But I doubt he'll say that. I think he's really gonna like it. Hopefully it's not too high, because after I put the top on, I'm thinking we're gonna be driving this thing in the woods. We're definitely gonna be hitting some branches. We might have to drive it to the woods and then get out and hop off of it and walk in. So I don't think we're driving that thing through the woods too much. And the field, yeah, sure, I think we'll tear up some fields, but we're not driving it into woods, because you're gonna hit everything with that top being so high. I don't know who the genius was that said let's put a 6-inch lift kit on it, but I don't know. Probably wasn't a good idea. But with all that being said, I want to hear from you guys what you guys think about the product, how it turned out, how it has turned out so far. If you guys are happy about it, if you think that it doesn't look as good as what you thought, or if it looks better than what you thought, or whatever, however you think about how it turned out, and if you think that my dad's going to be happy about it or not. I'd really just want to hear from you guys. And then I also want you guys to let me know what else you'd like to see done on this channel. Would you like to see more builds, and if so, then of what, and more stuff like that. So hop down in the comments, write me a little something. I'll be sure to answer. I pretty much answer every single comment. I go through them every time I get them. Get a notification on my phone, I check them. So yeah, drop a comment. Definitely make sure you like though. And yeah, I'll see you guys when we get back to the house. And here she is in all of her glory. All done, wrap all put on, got everything put back together. Now obviously we're gonna clean that up. We're gonna go in, we're gonna give it one more final cleaning. Check out this personal touch the wife did. My dad, his nickname, his gamer tag, all that stuff, it's always been through the years, Big Dog. So put that on there. My whole family knows him. We all call him Big Dog, all of us kids, or well, now adults, but you know, growing up, all of his nieces and nephews all call him Big Dog because it's funny. I mean, he is a big guy. You'll see in the next video when we give this to him. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what he thinks about it. It turned out actually very, very good. I was extremely nervous about the wrap. I've never done one before, so I thought, you know, this is not going to go well, but we'll give it a shot. And surprisingly, it's difficult. It's definitely difficult. But looking back on it now, all the difficult stuff was 100% worth it. I mean, this thing looks sick. It just looks mean. Looks so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to give it to him tomorrow. With that all being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think on how this thing turned out. I think it turned out amazing. I'm extremely happy with it. And you know, at first I was saying I didn't like these seats on here, but it's kind of, I mean, it doesn't really fit in with the vibe, but it's kind of like a little splash of classiness on a sweet redneck classy ride. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. So yeah, I mean, cheap quarantine project that we did. Well, actually not really cheap, but it's for a good cause. My dad finished all of his treatments, so we are going to be taking this to him tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, I'm getting ready to go get the trailer, bring it over here. That way, as soon as I wake up tomorrow, I can get the family ready, get the baby ready. We can roll, go right on over there, and we will give this to him. I really hope he likes it. I really, really do. I can't wait to film his reaction, and that's going to end the series of this golf cart build. I can't wait. I can't wait. So I'm not going to bore you guys with watching us wash it all off and stuff like that. So that's going to end today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment if you like it, if you didn't like it, if you think there's something that we could do better next time. Because we are going to have a next time. They're going to be doing more builds, obviously. So let us know what you think, what could be better, what turned out really well. If it's surprising, do you think that this turned out pretty well for being our first time? Let me know. Thank you, as always. Remember to share this channel. Make sure you're subscribed, especially for the giveaway that's out now. 2, definitely hit the like button. Smash that like button. Leave the comments. And 3, make sure that you tell anyone and everyone you know to hop on the Dad Bod Season train. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a great day. Dad Bod Season out.